Hello. I recently got a radio scanner from my granddad on my dad's side, and it is the realistic Pro-41 radio scanner. This particular scanner can hold 10 frequencies and scan through them. And what I'm going to do in this video is show you what it looks like and how it works. So we'll get into it here. So as you can see, there are two knobs on it: the volume and power, the squelch. And the squelch is pretty important because it sort of tunes the radio in, basically. Like, if you have it too low, it won't scan properly and will always stop on white noise and won't scan through the different frequencies. So you want it to be adjusted so it does scan through, but you want it to be as close to the minimum as possible so that you can get as much out of it as possible. And then this is an earphone jack, standard earphone jack, nothing special about it, has a cover on it. So let's turn it on here. I'll adjust this thing here. There we go. So right now it's scanning through all 10 frequencies. As you've probably noticed, the display is very small. It's a 2-digit display. And that's it. It does not even have a dot. It just uses a dash to indicate a dot when you're doing frequencies. So if you want to stop scanning and just have it on one frequency, hit the manual button and it stops on whatever frequency it's on. And if you want to change it, just press the manual button until you're on the channel you want. And if you want to program a frequency, so if you want to program a frequency, all you have to do is, focus please, that'll work. All you have to do to program a frequency is get it on the channel you want and type in the frequency. And that's all you have to do, and hit enter when you're done. So it's pretty simple. If you want to see what frequency is programmed into a channel, hit the review frequency button. And then if you want certain channels to not be scanned, for example, if you're Railfanning CN and you have channels 1 to 5 programmed for CN, and then 6 to 10 is just stuff that's not relevant, and you just want the CN stuff, then you can lock out the channels. So if we lock out 6 to 10, and then hit the scan button, as you can see, it only scans 1 to 5. It'll only scan 1 to 5, which are not locked out. And if I want to put 7 on, or 8, then it'll scan 8 as well. And then this switch here, I have no idea what it does. It hasn't done anything yet. And that's about it. This is the beaker on it, which takes up like half the unit. You see? And yeah, you can probably tell that this is a bit of an older scanner. It's like a brick. And I've also taped on the different which frequencies I have programmed to which channel. I've taped it onto the back. So yeah, that's about it, really. So yeah, pretty cool to have a scanner. I'll be taking out railfanning with me and see how useful it is for me. There's the power input as well, and it comes with a screw-on clip. And this thing takes 5 AA batteries. It has like a weird multi thing where it's like, if you take off the cover, you'll have like basically a battery pack that you can pull out, and it has 3 slots on one side. Flip it over, you have 2 more slots on the other side. And yeah, nowadays I think most scanners take, I don't know what they take actually, to be honest, but probably not 5 AA's. So, but hopefully this thing will last a while, especially since I have 5 alkalines. Also of interest, it has a switch inside there to switch it between alkaline and, I don't know, nickel ion or something, I can't remember, but alkaline and I guess rechargeables basically. So, which is probably a sign of its age as well. So, well, that's about it. I just wanted to show you that I do have a radio scanner now. And yeah, that's about it. Goodbye.